In 1978, a crew pulled off the biggest cash heist in American history. Then they all started dying. Jimmy Burke's team targeted JFK Airport's Lufthansa cargo terminal. $6 million was sitting there waiting. They had inside help. Louis Werner worked at the cargo terminal. He owed massive gambling debts and needed the money. The plan was simple but brutal. They rammed a van through the airport fence, held workers at gunpoint, loaded cash and jewelry into their vehicle. The heist worked perfectly, but then Burke became paranoid. He worried the crew would talk, so he decided to eliminate the witnesses. One by one, his own team members started disappearing. Bodies turned up across New York, shot execution style, stuffed in car trunks. Burke murdered almost everyone who participated, including the people who trusted him most. Police made few arrests. Most of the money vanished forever. The case inspired the movie Goodfellas, but the real story was far more brutal. Sometimes the biggest threat isn't getting caught, it's your own crew.